Hey guys, Alexa here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some journal prompts that you can use for teacher burnout. I've used these prompts myself and have shared them with so many other wonderful teachers. Journaling is so therapeutic, and what I love about it is it gets what's on your mind out, just like if you were going to see a therapist or a counselor. And literally, you can journal about anything. I have a prayer journal, a random journal of ideas and thoughts for when I'm bored. I used to journal about my week, about what's going well and what isn't. My point here is journaling about anything can really help you feel better in your burnout journey and open your eyes to really find the root of the issue. So what I'm going to do is put these journal prompts up so you can pause the video to journal along with the questions. Now, if you are good at knowing what to journal, that's great. Keep journaling. If you need help, these 4 prompts will get you started. These prompts dive deep and make you really think. So grab some coffee, open Google Docs, get a notebook, whatever you want to use, and let's dive deep. In what ways do I deplete myself and run myself into the ground? What is it causing me the most stress and tension in the moment? Why do I feel lost when I'm struggling to move forward? How can I get the help that I need? What is it that I truly need? I hope that these prompts helped you to move forward in your burnout journey. Never hesitate to reach out and get the help that you need. It doesn't mean that you're weak. You're strong when you seek your help.